My whore. Hey, K's. So, as you can see, I look a mess. A hot ass mess. So I'm gonna be showing you how to do the sleek low bun that's in. I will put a picture up somewhere. Let's get started. First things first, and I'm going to take this fine tooth parting comb and I'm going to part the right side of my head. As you can see from the picture, the part is curved because that's what I like. So I'm parting my hair at a slight curve. Why am I using the camera when I have the mirror in front of me? Like, what are you doing? Yes, genius, look at the mirror. Anyway, boom, done. So this is what I grease my scalp with before I even apply any products in my hair. I use the dropper and then I massage it into my scalp, which makes it feel amazing. Amazeballs. Moving right along. Today I'm using the Styl Gel to slick this bush down. Sometimes I use Eco Style, sometimes I use this. It just depends on the day, how I feel. So I distribute this throughout my hair like that, like so. And my Tabitha Brown voice. I love that lady, I really do. Now I use my handy dandy hard bristle brush to get this thick hair together, child. Yes, get it together. You are the trigger. You brought me to and I'm sure to do. Man, yeah, sorry, I don't want to hear that, my bad. Pay attention, boys and girls. This is my secret. I use edge control on more than my edges. This makes my part and my edges like... This is a nice tip for those with thick hair that need extra hold for the sleekness. No lie, I could work all night, go to sleep, no scarf, and wake up and my shit still be slick. Zam, I'm telling you. Back at it again with the hard bristle brush, and I just basically just brush my edge control into my hair, distribute that so that it's all even and everything. Okay, this is my second tip for you guys. I separate my hair into two different scrunchies. As you can see, I'm doing the bottom half first. So this will be tight and everything, and then I'm going to go ahead and do like the top swoop so that can be nice and tight. It's just too much work to try to put all of my hair into one scrunchie. I'm good on it. Okay, so if I notice that there's some hair that isn't as tightly in the ponytail as the rest of the hair, what I do is I grab 1 or 2 bobby pins and tuck the hair into the bobby pin as close to the scrunchie as possible. Then what I do is I'm brushing my hair like I have waves. But then what I do is I do the same thing for the swoop in the front. So my hair is a little bit shorter, so there's going to be some hair sticking up behind my ear. I grab a bobby pin and I stick the hair in the bobby pin as close to my ear as possible. This is for discretion because don't nobody need to know that I have 13 bobby pins in my hair. Say no. And now on to the bun. Basically my goal is to get a full and secure bun. So what I do is 2 strand only the very ends of my hair for thickness. Then I wrap my twisted hair into the bun and tuck the ends of my hair into a scrunchie. The final stage is my edges. That's my slick back. Boom. What a transformation. Okay guys, so I hope that you enjoyed my sleek low bun tutorial. It's distracting me. We're going to be making a video today for you guys, so stay tuned to that. So like and subscribe. Well, you already know what to do.